This unboxing is just three small plants from Orchid-Eros. So Orchid-Eros is a Hawaiian vendor. The breeder grower for it is Ben Oliveros, and he has a lot of award-winning Eclandier and Eclandier crosses. And I had reached out to him, asked if I could interview him for my first student paper, for the AOS judging program. But he said that he was too busy and that I could just send him some emails, which have not been, I don't know, he's not been as verbose as I had hoped. So, but of course, I've wanted to order from him for a while. And if you've seen my other unboxings recently, you know that I ended up ordering a bunch of orchids from Maui Orchid Whisperer because he sells his, I guess, culls over there after they bloomed. So anyways, this right here is an order I just placed with him last week. He updates his available seedlings like every month or so. And he hadn't had any Eclandier crosses, but then he had, I think he had one. And then I ordered some other stuff as well. So here, we have 1, 2, 3, and it came FedEx today from Hawaii to Chicago. And that means that it shipped like Sunday or Monday, transmitted his information to FedEx on Sunday, and today is Wednesday. So here are the 3 plants. Okay, all right, this is not the Eclandier. I think I ordered like 2 other ones. I felt really weird ordering 1 plant and paying, say, $30 for shipping. So it's very small. These are seedlings, right? Haven't bloomed. This is years away from blooming. So this is Cattleya tigrina caerulea crossed to Cattleya violacea caerulea. So it's 2 blue forms, and I was like, well, I mean, tigrina's really big, but be interesting to see if the violacea breeds true. The caerulea breeds true from the violacea to the tigrina. So they have some of these little plastic things here. And now we have a Pinto. Pinto, please don't show your butthole to people. So here's a plant. Hide Pinto's butthole. There's one. Pinto, don't sit. He's laying down right here. Okay. At least if I open this way, his mouth is far away. So, Pinto. I can't use my scissors now because Pinto's laying on them. Here's the next one. All right, I'll try to put this down under Pinto's butt. So this is, I didn't think this would be really cool. So I actually really love Cattleya Maybly, and he has taken Maybly Chinqua Splash and he crossed it to Digbyana with the frilly lip. And this could be really, so Chinqua is like green with this like bright pinkish red lip. And then, as we all know, Digbyana's green with that frilly lip. It could be really cool to have a red frilly lip if it breeds true. So often I feel like that frilly lip part on Digbyana doesn't breed through, it doesn't come out. We'll have to see on this one. Pinto is turned, and now he is closer to the seedlings. Let me transfer them over here so that cannot eat them. And so where's the last one? Here it is. Pinto. Pinto, please don't hump stuff. Please don't knock things over. Please don't eat anything. All right. Now I can use my scissors again because Pinto's gone. So this must be the Eclandier cross. Yes. Okay. So this is Cattleya clandier crossed to, I guess, Encyclia, like Prosthetia mariae. So this could, I don't know, but I was intrigued by this cross, and I said I want one to try it out. I didn't order duplicates of any of these because I'm just still sort of trying out Orchid-Eros. I've known about them for several years. He was recommended to me by Bill Rogerson like 3 years ago, but I just, you know, he doesn't have like an order form. So to order from Ben, you basically have to send him an email and you say, hey, I'd like to buy these 3 plants, and then he invoices you via PayPal. So that's what happens. And here's this plant. It's very like, don't you dare! That cat barracuda mouth just went after my orchids over here. So that's this unboxing, and stay tuned because I have more.